Earlier, we saw how we can add random values using the wiggler. We also saw a wiggle selector when we were talking about text. Let's go ahead and talk about the wiggle expression. Create a new composition and just call it wiggle. You can leave all the values as they are, 720 by 480, 6 seconds, and click OK. Let's just go ahead and create a circle-like shape there. And there you go. Go ahead and press the letter P for position, and let's enable an expression in here. Press and hold the Alt or Option key and click on the stopwatch. All you need to do is type in the word wiggle, pretty much like with the wiggler and the wiggle selector. When it comes to wiggle, only two things are important, and that is how often, that is frequency, and how much, that is magnitude. The frequency always goes first. So we typed in the word wiggle. Go ahead and open a parenthesis, and now type how many times per second you would like for it to wiggle. I'll give it a 5, comma, now the magnitude. Since we're talking about position, we're really talking about pixel coordinates. So how many pixels would you like for this to move? And let's say 20. So type in the number 20 and go ahead and close the parentheses, and there you go. Go ahead and click out of there and press 0 on your numeric keypad to preview. And there you go. It's a way of adding random numbers. Just like with the wiggler, go ahead and duplicate the layer, that is Control or Command D. Change the color of the top one. Just click on this swatch here. Let's choose a blue. And without changing anything, do a RAM preview. That's 0 on the numeric keypad. And as you can see, they are wiggling slightly differently. And that is because the layer stacking order is taking into account when assigning the random values for the wiggle. We can also use expressions to create a loop. So let me go ahead and delete shape layer 2. And I'll go ahead and disable this expression. Press and hold the Alt or Option key and click on the stopwatch. And there you go. Let's just go ahead and keyframe position so that it's left. Move in time, move it to the right. There you go. Copy the first keyframe, Control or Command C, and paste it, Control or Command V. What we have now is left, right, left. Let's go ahead and enable an expression now for position. Press and hold the Alt or Option key and click on the stopwatch. Now let's go to the Expression Language menu. Select Property and select Loop Out Duration, and that's it. Click out of there to deselect, do a RAM preview, 0 on your numeric keypad, and it should just loop and loop and loop. One of the advantages of using this type of looping is this. If it's moving too slow, all you have to do is adjust these keyframes instead of adjusting 15 or 20 of them. Click on the word position to select all of them. Press and hold the Alt or Option key, and let's drag the first one closer together, and notice all of them are moving proportionally. And now the whole motion of the animation gets faster. Using expressions for creating loops and other things is a fantastic way of saving time.